for Terrain, our company name. This is our first product called Terrain T1 Pro, and we have several key features for you. We actually have a landing gear system, just like the landing gears of the airplane. So when you need it, the speed is lower than 5 kilometers per hour. It will be automatically lowered down to keep you stabilized. And when your speed goes up, the landing gear will be folded itself. So let me do the demo for you. Can be folded up, totally lower down. Let me show you the parking mode. And then you will be lifted up automatically. Okay. And we have several other features like the cameras. We have dash camera here to record your riding. And when you push your riding bike out of an alley, small alley, you don't see the left and right side, right? But with this 180-degree camera, you can see the left side and right side on the touch screen. And we have a selfie camera. When you are carrying your kid from the school or something and the weather is good, you can take a picture of you and your kids together with just one click on the handlebar. Yeah, and we have another camera here on the back. It's a camera and radar. So when there's a car approaching you from behind, you get vibration on your handlebar, and you get the screenshot from behind, the view. So you know someone is coming to you. You need to ride carefully, and that's it. And we have wireless charging port here. Wireless charging port. So we have accessory to tie your phone here, so you can charge it. And at the same time, we have something like the wireless CarPlay. You can project your navigation, your music, your core to the touch screen. Oh, by the way, since we have 3 cameras, right? When you park this bike outside at night, someone is trying to steal your bike. The camera will be automatically turned on and take a picture of the thief. So make sure that you can give the evidence to the police officer to find your bike back. And you can also find the bike on your app as well because we have GPS. Yeah, that's it. Most of the features, yeah.